Now, coverage you can count on. This is 12 News Now at 11.
This is a test. This station is participating in a coordinated monthly test of the Rhode Island Operational Area Emergency Alert System. The Rhode Island broadcasters, in cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to provide immediate warning information or instructions. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official news, information, or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
It's been a roller coaster of a night. Neither Senate President Ruggiero nor RIPTA CEO Scott Avedesian were able to speak on camera, but both sharing their thoughts through statements sent to the newsroom. Senate President Dominic Ruggiero sending a stern message tonight about his displeasure with how the state's transit authority is being managed.
It's a serious step for a legislative leader to publicly call on any department head or director to resign.
12 News Politics editor Ted Nesi explaining just how significant of a call to action this is.
They don't do those things lightly, partly because they know how much their words carry weight.
In a statement, Senate President Ruggiero saying in part, foreseeable challenges such as driver shortages at the start of the school year were left unaddressed until there was a crisis. Patricia Robb is the co-chair of the Rhode Island Transit Riders, which advocates for individuals who use the transit service.